Good morning, children. This video is for class 5. Today we are going to see chapter 4 measurements. This is the continuation of the previous class. Children, in the previous class we have seen only addition and subtractions in capacity. But now we move into the multiplication. Exercise 4.2 Fifth sum, multiply the following. First one, 3 liter 200 milliliter multiply by 8. First you have to arrange liter milliliter. 3 liter 200 milliliter multiply by 8. First multiply milliliter. 0 into 8, 0, 0 into 8, 0, 2 8s are 16, here we'll write 6, 1 should be forwarded to the next digit, 8 3s are 24, 24 plus 1, 25, so the answer is 25 liter 600 milliliter. Second sum, 4 liter 450 milliliter multiply by 4. First arrange 4 liter 450 milliliter multiply by 4. First you have to multiply milliliter. 0 into 4, 0. 5 4s are 20. Here we'll write 0. 2 should be forwarded to the next digit. 4 4s are 16, 16 plus 2, 18. Here we'll write 8. 1 should be forwarded to the next digit. 4 4s are 16, 16 plus 1, 17. So the answer is 17 liter 800 milliliter. Sixth sum, divide the following. First one, 18 liter 240 milliliter divided by 6. First you have to write dividend 18 liter 240 milliliter. Divisor 6. Students, take first digit 1. 1 is not divisible by 6. So you have to take 2 digit 18. Say 6 table, 6 3s are 18. Subtract 18 minus 18, 0. Bring the next digit 2 down. 2 is not divisible by 6. So you have to write 0 in the quotient. Bring the next digit 4 down. Now 24. Say the table 6 table, 6 4s are 24. Subtract 24 minus 24, 0. Bring the next digit 0 down. 0 is not divisible. So you have to write 0 in the quotient. Answer 3 liter 40 milliliter. Second sum, 25 liter 350 milliliter divided by 5. First you have to write dividend 25 liter 350 milliliter. Divisor 5. Students, take first digit 2. 2 is not divisible by 5. So you have to take 2 digit 25. Say 5 table, 5 5s are 25. Subtract 25 minus 25, 0. Bring the next digit 3 down. 3 is not divisible by 5. So you have to write 0 in the quotient. Bring the next digit 5 down. Now 35. Say 5 table, 7 5s are 35. Subtract 35 minus 35, 0. Bring the next digit 0 down. 0 is not divisible by 5. So you have to write 0 in the quotient. Answer 5 liter 70 milliliter. Seventh sum, Kalayarasi bought 5 liter 500 milliliter groundnut oil and 750 milliliter sesame oil. How much oil did she buy in all? Solution. Amount of groundnut oil is equal to 5 liter 500 milliliter. Amount of sesame oil is equal to 750 milliliter. You have to find out total amount of oil she bought equal to. Students add. First you have to add milliliter. 0 plus 0 0, 0 plus 5 5, 5 plus 7 12. So here we'll write 2. 1 should be forwarded to the next digit. Next you have to add liter. 1 plus 5 6, 6 plus 0 6. So the answers, total amount of oil she bought equal to 6 liter 250 milliliter. Eighth sum, in a fuel station there was 70 liter 500 milliliter of fuel. How much amount of fuel will be left after selling 35 liter 700 milliliter of fuel? Solution. Amount of fuel in a fuel station is equal to 70 liter 500 milliliter. Amount of fuel sold is equal to 35 liter 700 milliliter. Amount of fuel left is equal to, subtract. First you have to subtract milliliter. 0 minus 0 0, 0 minus 0 0, 5 minus 7. It is not possible, so we borrow from the previous digit. Here also is 0, so we borrow from the previous digit 7. 7 becomes 6, 0 becomes 9, 5 becomes 15. 15 minus 7 8, 9 minus 5 4, 6 minus 3 3. So the answer is, amount of fuel left is equal to 34 liter 800 milliliter. Ninth sum, a pot contains 9 liter 500 milliliter of water. How much amount of water will 7 such pots contain? Solution. Amount of water contains in a pot equal to 9 liter 500 milliliter. Amount of water contains in 7 pots equal to 9 liter 500 milliliter multiplied by 7. First you have to write liter. 9 liter 500 milliliter multiplied by 7. 7 into 0 0, 7 into 0 0, 7 5s are 35. Here we'll write 5. 3 should be forwarded to the next digit. 7 9s are 63, 63 plus 3 66. So the answer is, amount of water contained in 7 pots equal to 66 liter 500 milliliter. 10th sum, 25 liter 500 milliliter of milk is filled in 5 milk cans. How much amount of milk is filled in 1 can? Solution. Amount of milk filled in 5 cans equal to 25 liter 500 milliliter. Amount of milk filled in each can is equal to 25 liter 500 milliliter divided by 5. Students, divide. Write dividend 25 liter 500 milliliter. Next you got to write divisor 5. Take first digit 2. 2 is not divisible by 5, so you have to take 2 digit 25. Say 5 table, 5 5s are 25. Subtract 25 minus 25 0. Bring the next digit 5 down. Say 5 table, 5 1s are 5. Subtract 5 minus 5 0. Bring the next digit 0 down. 0 is not divisible by 5, so you have to write 0 in the quotient. Again bring the next digit 0 down. 0 is not divisible by 5, so you have to write 0 in the quotient. So the answer is 5 liter 100 milliliter. Amount of milk filled in each can is equal to 5 liter 100 milliliter. Students, I hope you all have understood multiplication and division clearly. I will catch you with some interesting chapter in the next class. Thank you, children.